Corruption and hypocrisy.
Corruption and hypocrisy ought not to be inevitable products of democracy, as they are undoubted of today. With these lines, let us start our special assembly on Corruption Control Day. Let us begin this with morning prayer. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Clouds gives us shower of rain. The sun gives us light of love. Streams and rivers flow their love. Oh, wonderful love. Two little eyes, two looks to God, two little ears to hear His voice, two little feet to walk His way, two little lips to sing His praise, two little hands to do His will, and one little heart to love Him with.
Now, I would like to call Muskan from grade 10 to know about corruption.
Hello, my dear friends. Today I am here to present a speech on corruption. Corruption refers to a form of crime or dishonesty. Corruption is a form of dishonesty or a criminal offense which is undertaken by a person or an organization which is interested in the position of authority. We can call it as a bribe also. In the current correction, if a person wants a public sector job, he has to pay a higher amount of money. Some steps can be taken by the government to root out the corruption from the Indian soil. There must be more anti-corruption law, led by not allowing itself to be a correct. Information rights to be best means come back from the corruption. The office for anti-corruption on must be more vigilant and more authoritative. The youth of today have the responsibility to refuse to accept and pay the bribe. I hope all my friends will do this. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Importance of the day by Shimas Khanam.
Importance of the day. On December 9, this world observes International Anti-Corruption Day. This day has been observed since 2003 after the passage of the United Nations Convention Against Corruption on 31st October the same year. It is marked to raise public awareness about the issue of corruption. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Now, thought for the day by Tanushri.
Thought for the day. The biggest disease is corruption and the vaccine is transparency. I repeat my thought. The biggest disease is corruption and the vaccine is transparency. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Let us have a quiz on Corruption Control Day by Hindushri.
Which are the two anti-corruption authority institutions?
Lokapal and Lokayukta.
Correct answer. Who has been appointed as the head of the BCCI's anti-corruption unit? Shabir Hussain. Which Indian social activist is honored with the US Anti-Corruption Champion Award?
Anjali.
Correct answer. When do we observe International Corruption Day?
9th December.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear.